Hey there and welcome back to our channel. So if you want to use Printify in Australia, it is very easy and accessible for anyone looking to start a print on demand business, whether you are creating a new online store or connecting an existing one. Printify offers powerful tools and features to help you succeed. So first of all, you have to go to Printify's website. Then Printify is an on-demand platform that allows you to design and sell custom products online with no upfront costs. It offers 900 plus high-quality products. This is the world's largest global print network. 100% free to use features. You can start your free trial or explore how Printify works by clicking through the top menu bar. So first of all, you have to log in or sign up. If you don't have an account, you can click sign up to create one. You can sign up using your email address or Google account. So just choose one. If you already have an account, just tap onto the email and password, then tap onto sign up. Also you can log in. Yeah, then you have to set up your store after signing up. So for example, you can add like what describes you best than your business goals, for example SEO, store setup, pricing help, etc. Also you can talk about how you found out about Printify, what you like to do next. It is asking for me the information, so just answer the questions. It is asking where are you currently selling products. You can just choose one and then click continue. So for example, I will choose TikTok, then choose the options that best describes you. Now you can explore a wide range of product categories like men's, women's and kids clothing, accessories.